We came to communities and we said to them, if the world was willing to say thank you to you for being guardians of a precious resource that is valuable to the whole planet, what would you want? So the communities say, we've never seen a program like this. We have never experienced anything like this. We feel like it belongs to us.
In 2007, Dr. Kinari Webb co-founded a clinic in Borneo, Indonesia. It is saving the rainforest. This is how it works.
Deforestation is now clearly shown to be linked to increased malaria. There is a study last year that came out that just a 4% decrease in forest cover led to a 50% increase in malaria. The man who owns that rice field right there, I was sitting there one day talking to him, and he tells me about how he used to be an illegal logger. And now he works in this rice field, and he says, I now totally get it. If we cut down the rest of the forest, there will be no water, and we will not be able to grow our food, and we are all going to be malnourished, and many of us will die. This is for them a very, very direct link. And he has been working with us to get all of his neighbors to stop. But there's a problem. And he says that some of his neighbors talk about this. Okay, fine, we'd love to stop. Actually, all of the loggers want to stop. But the problem is, what do you do if you have a medical emergency? Then, almost the only way in our area to get liquidity, to get the money to pay for health care, is to do illegal logging. The pivot of our model is excellent health care and non-cash payment options. People can pay with manure, they can pay with seedlings, they can pay with labor that we use to reforest land. They can also learn things in our organic garden. And they can pay with beautiful hand-woven mats and things like that. So that leads to better health, and then that leads to environmental protection and restoration. That then leads to decreased mortality. Decreased mortality is known the world over to lead to a decreased birth rate. Then, when you have fewer children, you have more resources that you can invest in each one of those children. You can send them to more school, and then those children, when they've been to more schooling, do better. The economy does better. I didn't invent this. This is called the virtuous cycle, and it is known from all over the world. Borneo has had the fastest rate of deforestation in the world. I lived deep in the forest. It was so exquisitely beautiful. The forest stretched to the horizon, and it is no longer like that. And it is not just me that has seen that. It is all the local communities there, and they know it. They live on the frontier of ecological collapse.
You can help. Please support the work of Health and Harmony and protect the rainforest of Indonesia.